I don't even know how to explain this without sounding like I've completely lost it, but something's happening to me. Like, really happening. I had this dream yesterday, or maybe it wasn't a dream. It felt more real than anything I've ever lived through. There were two giant suns, just massive and pulsing with this intense light. But the light wasn't just light, it was like love. Intense, all-encompassing love. It was bathing me, filling me up, warming every cell in my body. I started crying in the dream, but I wasn't sad, I was overwhelmed, like completely cracked open. And since then, I don't feel like the same person. I'm looking at my hands like, are these even my hands? The world looks brighter but also unreal, like a movie set. Food tastes different. Time is bending, sometimes it feels like hours pass in a minute, and sometimes a minute feels like forever. And the energy in my body, God, it's like something's trying to rise up my spine. It's hot, it vibrates. Sometimes it pulses so strong I have to lie down. I can't tell if I'm becoming enlightened or losing my shit. I'll be walking down the street and suddenly I feel like I can feel people. Like actually feel their sadness or joy in my chest. I saw this older guy on the subway and instantly started crying because I could just feel this deep, aching loneliness from him. But here's the messed up part. While some of it feels magical, like I'm tuning into something huge and beautiful, a lot of it is terrifying. My thoughts race, I get hit with waves of fear, like I'm dying or dissolving. I try to talk to friends and they look at me like I'm unhinged. I don't even blame them. I don't know how to explain this in a way that sounds sane. Last night I couldn't sleep. My heart was racing and I swear I felt something shifting inside me, like my old self was peeling away. I kept hearing this voice, soft but firm, saying, let go, over and over. But what am I letting go of? My ego, my identity, my mind? I honestly don't know if I'm awakening or unraveling.